viewers. Well, this sweet smelling puffed up Lipo, it's got less than 2 volts left in it. Let's fix it. Let's fix this puffed up Lipo. Set the camera up in here somewhere. Squish it down. A bit shaky there, but it's squished. I'll try to get this thing to squish even more if I can. Can't get any tighter. I really need to bolt this thing down onto something big and solid for this press to work effectively. My next project is to get something fairly solid to put this anvil on. Oh, that's pretty much what I need, an anvil of something heavy to put this to sit on. Boy oh boy! There you go, that's an expired Lipo repaired. Not as puffed. Not as puffed. It is better than what it was. Better than what it was. That's pretty puffed up. Oh well. Move the camera a little bit. Looks like I have to do some cleaning under here. I can take this bottom plate off and I'm going to wire brush that and get it real clean. Wow, that's a tough little Lipo pack. That's taking some pressure. It's better. Not puffed up anymore. Has a nice sweet smell to it. That electrolyte that's in there has a nice sweet smell. If I was a battery, I would love to eat that. Squish this thing. Oh, I can't put any more power into that. Not without bottling this thing down to something very solid. They're getting leverage on that handle there. But it's the next best thing to a small hydraulic press. I'm pretty impressed with this thing. I just leave it in there. It's not going to do anything. It's lost all of its potential to make a fireball. So. Here we go. That's how to repair a puffed up Lipo. Maybe I can recharge this thing and it'll be good to go again. Like those Indian YouTube videos I've seen. A guy gets a syringe and sucks it out, so it flattens it, and that's it, kept on tape and repairs it. One of these types of videos. She's fixed. Good as new, you wouldn't even know. And there you are, that's how you fix a puffed Lipo. Squeeze a bit of extra life out of the battery, so to speak. So these batteries, this is coming up nice. Look at 100 cracking amps, nearly just under 100 cracking amps in that one. I've had it on this C4Chip Auto low current battery charger. It's actually pretty good. They got this battery woke, now it's on the C-Tech. This one wasn't going over 30 cracking amp, it was on the C-Tech before that one here was. That's got just over 100 cracking amps in it now. That's on the cheap ass. Good thing to test my chargers. And this other one here has about 80 cracking amps. These are both holding charge now. Chuck the caps back on. If I break the lids getting the caps off, so I just got duct tape so the lids don't blow off and get lost. That'll do for now till I can get some new plastic made up so I can replace those caps. But if these batteries can go near the 200 cracking amp mark, I think there's I did look in there before I put the electrolyte in. The cells look pretty good, all intact. They weren't falling apart, so This charge here seems to be doing a good job too. So I think I've evolved these. If I get a decent amp capacity out of these things, I'm going to have to put these back in my jump starter. This needs to be LED lighting. This has actually come up nicely. I thought it dropped the cell, but it wasn't going over 10 volts, but for somehow it's just recovered. This little charger's not bad. Perfect for little batteries like this. Now they've got the MIG welder here. This retarded battery, retarded one. It's going to get a good charging with a MIG welder. Since the MIG welder I got there puts out DC anywhere from 11 to 50 volts with a turn of a dial. I did it with a multimeter, so to adjust the your welding current when you're using the MIG, it goes by voltage. In this case, 30 volts. But I did measure its open circuit current with a multimeter return. It's not because up to 50 volts. So if I crank this up, I can burn up that little retarded battery with this by charging it with pure DC. AC just yeah, it's kind of fun, but you don't get a charge in the battery and it won't go bang, so to speak. But with a MIG welder, you will get a bang. So this battery's got to get a good treatment on that. It'll charge. Yeah, we've got a dead cell. Let's see if I can make them all dead with that MIG welder. That'll be coming up, and that's going to be epic. Anyway, once those SLAs that came out of this are repaired, I'm going to fix up the board in this because of the charging regulator MOSFET got snapped off and battery hit it and snapped it off the board, so I'm going to fix that. Reinstate this as it is for now and see how well those batteries go. Still one of the super capacitors, ultra capacitors in here, but for now I'll get much life and use I can out of those other batteries there. Yeah, this one's still alright, still nice and flat. I'm going to leave it in there for longer. I'll leave it in there all the time. To get this off here under these bottom bolts here, they come off, and you can take this bottom plate off, which I'm going to do is restore this with a wire wheel and get it really clean and smooth. Might ever get some more tubing and screw this into it, extend it higher and squash big things. Pretty neat little press. I quite like this. This is going to come in really handy. Good fun. That's what I call a flat battery, or a flat cell, so to speak. That's one flat cell. That's a flat cell. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.